In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video inside text using Canva, a really cool effect that looks professional and is super easy to do. So let's jump right in. First, you'll need to add the video that you want to appear inside the text. I've already uploaded the video I'll be using here. Now, to create the text mask, we'll start by adding a new page, then go to the Elements and drag in a square shape. Change its color to black so it stands out clearly, and then resize it to cover most of the canvas. This will act as our background for the text. Next, head over to the text and add a heading. Type the text you want to use. Make sure it's short so the video is visible clearly through the letters. Then choose a bold font from the font options. Something thick like Anton or League Spartan works really well. Increase the font size so it fills most of the square, and center align it both vertically and horizontally. Once that looks good, click the Share button in the top right corner and choose Download. Make sure the format is set to PNG. If you want a sharper and higher quality result, you can increase the size under the download settings. And most importantly, check the option for a transparent background. Also, don't forget to select only the page with the text when downloading. Now import that PNG image into your main video page. Once it's added, remove the background. This will leave you with just the text cut out. Place it over your video and align it perfectly in the center of your canvas. And that's it. Your video is now showing inside your text. If you want a slightly softer or lighter effect, you can also reduce the opacity of the text layer a little bit to blend it better with the background video. And there you have it, a clean and eye-catching way to display your video inside text using Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.